I feel like these all plants are welcoming me, you know. They are inviting me into the nature in a positive way. Okay? So they are beautiful. And if you don't mind, and if you like to watch more videos in coming future, like authentic videos, not AI generated videos, so please make sure to subscribe and like and comment for suggestions, ideas, connection, you know. Please do it. It will help my channel to move forward. And in coming future, I'm trying to help Nepali community. So I got a big plan. So it's not really any simple task that I'm planning. Yeah, honestly, thank you so much for everybody for watching my video, taking your time, special time to watch my video. It's very, very important. Appreciate it. Bye.